In many cultures, the path to success is a well-trodden one. For the Igbo people of Nigeria, one of the most revered paths is a unique apprenticeship system known as Igba Boi. It's a story of sacrifice, mentorship, and the powerful cycle of community upliftment. Let's follow the journey of one young man, Chidi, as he walks this path. The air in Chidi's village is heavy with emotion. He bids farewell to his family, his mother's eyes shimmering with a mix of pride and sorrow. He is just a boy, leaving all he has ever known for a chance at a better future. His destination is the sprawling, chaotic city of Lagos, and his master is Chief Omemboji, a respected trader in the bustling Aloba market. The journey is not just one of miles, but of a lifetime. Life in Lagos is a shock to the system. The days start before dawn and end long after dusk. Chidi's first duties are humble, sweeping the shop, running errands, and observing every single transaction with a keen eye. He learns the art of negotiation from a textbook, but from the raw, energetic exchange between his master and the customers. He learns the names of suppliers, the quality of goods, and the rhythm of the market. It's a demanding education, filled with long hours and little rest, a true test of his character and endurance. Years pass. Chidi is no longer the wide-eyed boy who left his village. He has grown in stature and in wisdom. One afternoon, Chief Omemboji sends him to the bank with a large sum of cash. The temptation to take a little, to cut a corner, is a whisper in the wind. But Chidi remembers his family's hopes and his master's trust. He returns every single naira, his integrity solidifying his master's faith in him. This becomes a turning point. Chief Omemboji starts giving him more responsibility, teaching him the deeper secrets of the trade, not just how to sell, but how to build a business. Then comes the day Chidi has worked towards for nearly a decade, his freedom ceremony, or settlement. It's a day of immense pride and celebration. In the presence of family and community members, Chief Omemboji formally releases Chidi from his apprenticeship. He doesn't just send him off with a handshake. He provides him with a substantial sum of money, initial stock, and a space to start his very own business. This isn't just a gift, it's an investment, a testament to the years of loyal service and the trust that has been forged between master and apprentice. Chidi is no longer a Noah boy, an apprentice boy. He's now his own man, a business owner. Our story comes full circle a few years later. We see Chidi, now a successful trader in his own right, standing in front of his thriving shop. Beside him stands a young boy, fresh from his own village, looking at the city with the same mix of fear and hope that Chidi once had. Chidi places a hand on the boy's shoulder, the same way Chief Omemboji once did for him. The cycle continues. Igba Boi is more than just a business model. It's a social contract. It's a system that builds wealth, fosters discipline, and ensures that success is not just achieved, but passed on, strengthening the entire community for generations to come. It's a powerful legacy of mentorship, trust, and shared prosperity. Thank you for watching this journey with us. If you found this story inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that explores the rich cultures of our world. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.